Alright, now this is Kenny do some commentary during this commentary warship. What should I say? Game warship? Spaceship? I don't know. There's that very pretty looking bitch. I mean, Mark Lloyd, whatever the hell his name is. He likes to dance or something. I just don't understand what's going on. We gotta. Oh, he's ready. Look at that helmet. Oh, we're gonna do something good here. Oh shit! Look who's coming out now. Oh shit! You got it's the women champion. I believe JR, he got a small penis, just like he said. He's talking some shit.
Love me! I do know!
I don't know. He's threatening Mark Lloyd. But Mark Lloyd got a safety inspection helmet. Oh, he's running away. Look at him. He's got the champion. Oh, he like to use that pillow.
Why Canyon?
You better shut up.
Alright.
That's right.
Our championship was on the line.
Oh, look at that. He put him straight on the ground. Now we getting some for some good action here.
Take this, son.
Oh shit, he get ready. He took out the helmet.
You just got served, sucker.
He got served.
What do you say about that? I say this, sir.
Look at the fancy footwork. It's like a fruit cake.
That's it. Now, oh, you served back, so now it's on.
On.
He's untied. Yes, you better fix it so he don't screw up anything, you gullible bitch.
Oh shit! He just got him with that. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! He defended his title.
That was easy.
Oh man, that was quite worthless. What? I don't know what to say.
Big muscles.
He's got little
Championship
fucking family muscles.
Barbecue sauce, dude.
The women champion's bigger than it.
Sauce is my favorite meal in the morning, at night.
He got the helmet on.
Dinner. I feel something bouncing behind me.
Oh
scared.
no!
Oh God!
Some sort of thing. Oh! Time to come. Look at the poses. He's pretty. The felt can't even. He dropped it just like he always drops his pants. I guess JR got served. Look at him. Look at his old folk with his clog dancing. With the bird, with the bird chest fucker singing bitch. JR, there he is, sitting up.
Not the Russian Lloyd sweep.
The Russian Lloyd sweep.
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna get that son bitch.
I'm pretty sure that was a suplex.
Wobblemania.
It was a suplex.